I wronged you, all my children. I wronged your mother. It is my burden that all your lives burdened with sadness, with anger, with violence. It was never my intention to I write with the confidence. I write with the courage that I will not face you to answer all the questions that you want me to answer. But I hope that one day you will all find your own I was a violent man, a bad father.
Nyanga zaman.
Mama, msadaro kan. Teddy?
Hello.
Magunz was a
terrible. Thank you for your support, Muro. Thank you. Thank you, Muro.
I have something for you. Something that I found.
What is this? Don't eat. Don't eat. Matotokai. Zvatikonzeresa kuda kuti nyanga dzevamwe handidi manonsense akadai also.
Ndinozviziva kuti ndiri muroora. Zvimwe zvinhu ndisingafaniri kuziva, zvimwe zvinhu handitozvizivi, but I think this time I deserved to know.
Yeah, you deserve to know. She deserved to know. Yes. Yes. Sydney hates me because I killed his mother. Yeah. And I beat his right ear. Now he has difficulties in hearing. He cannot hear properly. It's because of me. Yes. It's true. Yeah, it's true. It's true that on many times I tried to kill my whole family. Yes, I was a violent man. Very violent. I killed my wife. She was a beautiful wife. Yes. I was insecure. I could not believe that she loved me for who I was. Yeah. I was wrong. I used to beat her in front of children. Yes. And I used to accuse her of giving me children who doesn't belong to me. Yeah. I was terrible, man. I was a terrible.
What happened?
One day she could not wake up. Just like that. Yeah. And the doctors said she had head trauma. I think caused by the countless beatings I usually gave her almost on daily basis. Morora, he deserved to know this. Yeah. My.
Monda. Iko zvinoda kukupa mama. Ndakuraya zvakaita chivangu iwe.
Unozotika ndaizviziva kuti Sydney akakanganisika pachildhood yake shamwarika nyacho inonzwisa tsitsi. Ndinozviziva kani. Unozoti ndaizviziva kuti mukukura Sydney akadamage kaka but kote zvandazoziva nhasi kudai. Asi kamukoma Sydney ndokatori nani kudarika vanhu vese vari pano. Ndiye akatonyanya wacho. Newadaro. Sydney anozvitakura every day. Mary manjeka angachiri mwana mudikisa kambofa akazvirangarira but anotakura pain mumwoyo. Ko Anisha shamwarika andori mahora chaiyo mwana werepu. Ndosaka ndairamba kakuti mai ava vangaita amai vaAnisha. Mai vaAnisha yandirepu 12. Vakarepu 12 vayozogara pana tete vavo. Ndikutokodza ingazidhara iri ari nyari chikoti kumisa zvidumbu kutsitsirira mwana mudiki yenyu. Izvezvi zvandimera ane pamuviri ari kuteera kamadzimba iwayaya ari kutodai yatochenyi. Patinozoti chii manje chero denga richizviona kuti apa pane zidhimoni apapa. Baba vachona vari kutraya chamwani. Mama.
No, I cannot forgive myself. And you reminding me of my past will not help.
You forced yourself on me, and you conspired with my family for me to become your wife. I was a child. I was just a child.
I know. And I have apologized a million times. You know, our culture.
So why are you making noise about Mary being pregnant? I was the same age with Mary.
You know, now I know. Children cannot be brides. You know, I loved your sister. And at one point I loved you. You know, let's try to rediscover our love. If you give me a chance. Please. But no alcohol. I'm on medication. Sydney. You know, I'm really sorry. You are who you are because of me. You have a very good wife. And I will hate to see you losing her because of me. And your child is precious and intelligent. She deserves a father. A good father. And you can be that, Sydney. You don't need to be like me. Yes. You don't need to be like me.
I have never hit her. Not once. Not never. I have never raised my hand to hit her. I'm not like you.
Yeah. Maybe not, my son. But the way you treat her might be as bad as hitting her.
And like you, I love my wife.
Well, love is not enough. You need to work on your marriage, at your relationship.
Dzevamwe, you know nothing about me or my relationship. Just leave me alone.
Well, if that is what you want. But don't let my mistake be your mistake in a different package. Okay. Yes.
Como assim? Nini unoziva andidi kupindira munyadzi vanhu ende tagara tese kumakore akawanda panapa. I'm like you guys, you are like my family members. Tatuo muri imwe chete.
Yeah.
My group, she is a wonderful woman.
I know.
Unenge musipo paya. Ichibuda nchienda kubasa. Noona wakamira pasinga makusenseni. Vachichema.
What?
Sometimes when wamorisa watu mundione avadere vanenge vachimochema.
And do you think it's because of me? You think it's my fault?
All I know, sometimes it takes us more time to be happy. It takes us deliberately fighting who we are, what we believe, to be happy.